Hello everyone, welcome to the video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a traffic light with Arduino. And so as you can see, we have three LEDs right here, a red one, a yellow one, and a green one. And so the underside of the red LED is going to be connected to a resistor, which is 330 ohms. You can use any resistor in between 220 ohms up to 470 ohms. And then the other side of this resistor is going to be connected to pin 11. And then the cathode of the red LED is going to be connected to the ground rail on the breadboard. And then the anode side of the yellow LED is going to be connected to a 330 ohm resistor, which then the other side of the 330 ohm resistor is going to be connected to pin 12 on the Arduino. And then again, the cathode is going to be connected to the negative rail on the breadboard. And then the anode of the green LED is going to be connected to a 330 ohm resistor, which is then connected to pin 13. The cathode is going to be connected to the ground rail, and then the ground rail is going to be connected to G&D on the Arduino. And so then that is the circuit, and now here is the code. And now the first thing we do in this code is we put our pin numbers into variables. And so pin 11, which is connected to the anode side of the red LED, is going to be put into red LED. And then the value 12, which represents pin 12, is going to be put into the yellow LED variable, because pin 12 is connected to the anode side of the yellow LED. And then the value 13 is going to be put into green LED. So then we go into the void setup, and we just set up all these pin numbers, and we make them all outputs. And so then we go into the void loop, and we do a digital write, telling the Arduino that we're going to be writing to a digital pin, and we're going to be writing to in red LED, which then we're going to say that we want to tone it high. So we're going to be toning pin 11 high, meaning we're toning it on, and we're going to keep it on for 5 seconds. So we're going to be keeping on that red LED for 5 seconds, loading everyone to stop. And then after 5 seconds have passed, then we're going to want to go ahead and turn on the green LED, telling everyone to go. And so first, before we go ahead and turn on the green LED, we're going to want to turn off the red LED. That's what we do here. Digital write, red LED, low, turning it off. And then we'll go ahead and turn on the green LED, which we say digital write, green LED high, turning the green LED on, loading everyone to go. After 5 seconds, we're going to want to turn off the green LED, which we do here. Digital write, green LED low. Then we're going to turn on the yellow LED to alert everyone that the red LED is about to turn on, which we do here. Digital write, yellow LED high. Then again, we wait 5 seconds, and then we turn the yellow LED off, and then come back up to this loop and turn the red LED on. Pretty much that is the code. And so now we can go ahead and look at the project. And as you can see, the red LED turns on, waits 5 seconds, and then it turns on the green LED. Then it's going to wait another 5 seconds, and then it's going to turn on the yellow LED, and then it's going to go back to the red LED, as you can see right here. And also what you can do is you can go ahead and copy this code right here and upload it to your actual Arduino, and it will do the same exact thing after you set up this circuit right here. And so there you go. Now you know how to build a traffic light with Arduino. If you like this video, consider giving this video a like. Also comment down below if you have any questions. Consider subscribing if you want to see more content like this. Thank you all. Have a great day. Bye.